or welcome back to my channel where I like to do some sewing, share my ups and downs with my makes. So popping in for a very quick one today. I have just finished two makes. I made them to be a matching set. I've had little tweaks with both of them and I'm deciding whether to keep either of them. I think I've got the fit okay on them, but in the end I've made them with quite a thick ponte and I don't really like the feel of it. So I'm going to have a shower and do some styling with them and see how I feel once I mix and match them up a bit and see if I can get an outfit out of them or one of them. I'm off tonight to a show with my sister and I don't go out a lot at night, and it's been a long time since I've gone out with her, and she's bought me this ticket and we're going out together. She's traveled to get here to Sydney, so I want to look not too dressed up. That's not appropriate for this occasion, but show her that I've made an effort and I'm looking forward to going out with her. So I want to look nice, but I also really want to be comfortable. Let me give you a bit of a background. This is the Elemental pencil skirt. It's a free pattern from Sew House 7. I had not made it before, so it's a new pattern to me. I like it quite a lot. I made it up in the size 20 because I was worried about it being really tight and fitting, and that ended up being extremely loose, like it kind of fell down on me. So what I've done is I've taken in 1 centimetre from each side, which equates to about 4 centimetres all up, and at the top at the waist I brought it in quite a bit. So basically I guess it ends up being a size 18 and then a size 16 at the top. So I'm going to try styling that, and in the same red, vibrant red fabric this is a version of the Billie Sweater by Tilly and the Buttons. So I've got the balloon sleeve. Well, it's kind of the balloon sleeve. It's got the puff sleeve at the top, and I did make it as a balloon sleeve, but I thought it would be a lot to have the full sleeve with the full length pencil skirt. So I made it like a 3/4 sleeve, and I really hated that because it pulled in on my elbow and was extremely uncomfortable and just was not sitting right. So I've hacked the sleeves off, well, the end of the sleeve. I've left the puff or the gather at the moment, and I've just made it into more of a bit of a thick t-shirt top. So I've got the ribbing around the neck and then the same ribbing around the bottom to finish it off around the waist. Okay. Oh, this was I don't know, I've forgotten the size. I think it was an XL, but instead of doing a 1.5 centimetre seam, I've done a 1 centimetre seam to just give me a tiny little bit of extra movement because this is quite a thick fabric. All right, let's see if I can put something together for tonight. Okay, this is the look I planned. This is not going to happen. I'm already static. My skirt is already sticking all over my legs and coming up. But here is the Elemental skirt with the kind of hacked off sleeves of the Billie Sweater. Here's the skirt with an alternate top I had in mind. This is from a company called Frock Me Out, and they take care to source their fabric and get things produced ethically. I thought the colours of this Billie Sweater would go nicely with this pair of trousers I've made. They're the Birch Grove pants by Moona and Broad, but I don't think it looks quite schmick, quite dressy enough for tonight. This is the Tie Bow Blouse by the Assembly line. I made this last weekend. I feel really comfortable in it. It's a little bit oversized, but I still feel really comfortable with it. And it's a little bit fancy on the top, comfortable on the bottom just with my wide leg jeans. And my sister actually gave me this fabric for Christmas, so it feels quite fitting. I think this will have to do for my winter outing. I'd better get organised and hit the road because I've got about just over an hour's drive to meet up with her. It's lovely to have you here. Give me a thumbs up if I gave you a bit of a giggle and you could relate, and I hope you have a great day.